Bonafide Hustler here, and I think there's some neighborhood-wide garage sales today. So we gotta go check those things out. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the inside of Small Spaceship, and we got this thing fully decked out. I mean, I got like this thing on top. Look at this. Can you see it? Got this complete storage long thing on top of my car. And I'm gonna go hit up garage sales today. It is 7:30 in the morning. I think we're gonna find some cool stuff. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler and get the free money making guide right here. It's the first link down below. It'll teach you some great items that you can start looking for, that you can start flipping and making some money on. Okay, let's get to this first neighborhood wide garage sale, and we'll see. It's a pretty big neighborhood actually, so it could pan out really well. All right, so we're in the first neighborhood, and I do see one garage sale right there. There's probably gonna be a bunch of garage sales, so but I have to be really smart with my time. But there's definitely one up here. It's one of the reasons I also brought the small cars, because I want to make sure that I can actually park, you know? Yeah, there is one right there. I'm gonna go check it out. All right, there are garage sales right there, some over there. I just picked up this CC Filson like duffel bag. I think it's like a medium/large. It does have a little bit of like nail polish right there, but I'm gonna try to get that out. This thing is in perfect condition. I mean, look at this thing. This was $20. Even with the stains on it, you could sell it for like 100, like as is right now, but I'm gonna try to get those things out and then sell it for a little bit more. Yep, that's the first find of the day right there. That was a really good score. There are so many garage sales. I have to just like haul ass.
Are you part of Austin?
I'm in those groups and all of them. Yeah, it's... All right, from that garage sale over there. Yeah, so, thanks, man. So yeah, from that garage sale over there, picked up this Cervelo road bike for $100. Probably resell for like 3 to 4, but it's pretty cool. It's got decent componentry. It is an older bike, but still a nice, ready to go bike. I don't have to do any kind of work. There we go. So yeah, I would have lost that bike. Man, someone came up right behind me and was like, can I buy that bike? And the guy was like, I already just sold it. So, and it came down to like making a U-turn. I could have lost on some serious money because I didn't make the U-turn, right? So I decided to make the U-turn because I saw the bike on the other side of the streets. You know, it's like double-sided streets here. And that decision, like, it's so minuscule, but that decision made me, you know, the $200 that'll future come in my pocket when I flip this bike. I might make more, honestly, but just that one decision, because there is a garage sale like right across the street that I did not go to, and I was going that direction, but when I saw the bike on this side of the street, I was like, that's a priority, let me go get it. That's some pro garage sale stuff right there, I'm telling you. Super tips. All right, so from that garage sale over there, I spent $4, and I got these interesting looking Air Maxes. They're nothing super special, okay? These are 2018s. But they have interesting enough colors on them to where this could probably go in the booth. Remember, it's like vintage, retro, and antique stuff. And, you know, it's not quite, I don't know. It's just got an interesting kind of look to it. So we might be able to put it there. But they're also size 12. And honestly, I might get a couple workouts in with these snazzy shoes. Also got a pair of boots. I think they are very, very small female ones or kiddo ones, but these were $2. And this in the booth will sell for like, I don't know, 40 or so, just because the color is pretty cool. So yeah, that was from that garage sale right over there. So I left that neighborhood, and now I am at a couple other garage sales that were not too far away. I bought this one thing for $2. Let me know what you think. It's this cool like Southwestern inspired bag. It's pretty neat. It's very kind of heavy, very robust. I really like it a lot, actually. It was $2. So I think in the booth, this could sell for like 30 to 50 bucks easily. It's really nice. I like it a lot. I kind of wish it was bigger, then I would actually mess with it myself, but it's pretty cool. And plus, when you put it on your back, it automatically like closes tight, you know? It's just a neat bag. $2, I couldn't believe it. I saw it from the car though when I rolled up to this place. All right, so I came from this random garage sale, which was like 1 block down the road. It was completely unlisted. And I bought this amazing $5 leather, like really nice leather bag with, looks like a flower, like, I don't know, very hard to explain. And it closes in weird ways, but it's actually a backpack. This thing will probably sell for like 80 to 100 bucks because the person told me that it's a one-off, custom made, Vancouver, Canada. I mean, if I show this to my girlfriend, she's just gonna be like, oh my God, I want it. So maybe I shouldn't show it to my girlfriend, but this thing is cool. It is so cool. I can't believe it. $5. All right, more garage sales. Just keep it on looking. Could be the last garage sale, but from that garage sale, I spent $10 and this is what I bought. All right, so we have some Fabletics shorts, size medium. That's definitely my size, so I had to get those. That's good for the gym. Got some Lululemon striped pants, which is really cool. They're in great condition. They're size 32, and they're more than likely 32s. So this is what they look like. This will probably fetch like 50 bucks or so. So yeah, nice little Lululemon pants right there, right? They're not convertible or anything like that, but they are pretty snazzy looking, and they are, you know, they're slightly casual, I guess. They're slightly business casual, I guess, if you wanted to do it a certain way, but pretty nice pair of pants right there. Although that pocket does not look business casual, I don't know. A pair of Wrangler jeans that I'll probably alter. This one I'll probably keep. These are 32 by 34s. Nice Wrangler jeans. They're not acid wash or anything weird like that, but nice color. That was part of the $10 deal. Pair of Gymshark shorts for myself, size medium. I always like stuff like this. Why not? I mean, these things are so comfortable and made by a company that really understands gym wear very well, so they feel great. And then these Adidas shoes right here. This is what they're called right there. I'll be looking them up later, but I figured he was basically throwing them into the deal, so I decided to get into them. They're pretty cool, and they're kind of suede-ish, very good condition. That's a TBD, but maybe 50 bucks, something like that. I forgot to actually close that video out, but I think I'm gonna keep that CC Filson bag, at least for now. You know, the funny thing is, it probably would sell between 1 and 200. Yeah. So I know I said 100 in the video, but it's more like it could be up to 2. Some of those are selling between 3 and 4 without the blemishes. You know what I'm talking about? Anyway, thanks for watching the video. I will see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.